Hello everybody! Welcome back to Coconut VA Talks at talaga namang this is another special episode. I'm Jam and I'm your host for today. And for today's session, guys, I invited, okay, Coconut VA for 10 months already and he's actually a graphic designer and isa siya sa pinakaunang nakilala ko nung nagsisimula ako dito sa Coconut VA kasi wala din akong 1 month, wala pang 1 year pa din. I remember doing like Coconut VA skill building session, the first ever, and it was one of the few audience that time. And he's none other than, of course, Ariel. Hello, Ariel! Salamat naman and you said yes to this invitation.
Hello guys, I'm Ariel. Thank you, Jam, for the invitation.
Oh, nakakatuwa naman kasi naalala ko yung the last time we were together in a Zoom meeting was when I was teaching about TikTok creation for skill building, di ba?
Yes, I was really interested kasi then I was like into social media then and bago lang po tayo sa Coconut VA that time. So like, okay, let's go participate tayo sa lahat ng mga ganap. So ganyan.
Correct! At super active nga. At ngayon ay talagang nag-social media na rin siya. Nasa TikTok na rin siya at nagda-live na rin siya, di ba?
Konti, pero hindi pa rin ako like into the groove, into like going live sa TikTok. So, kailangan pa rin ng maraming confidence. May nag-message nga rin sa akin for Kumu eh. Kasi may
Boom!
friend ako sa Kumu. Yeah,
You like
Vice
it?
President. I'm trying. So,
I
kaso
try.
nga wala pa tayong time. So,
Oh,
yun.
priorities. Pero I just
Priorities.
that you're here. Finally, I get to interview you. I know you had so much milestones this year, and I'm so happy to actually, meet you in person during the getaway. Kahit hindi tayo siya nag-usap kasi, girl, the time crunch is talagang time crunching. Ganon.
Yeah, sabi ko nga, 'di ba, mag-aano tayo, magko-content tayo. Hindi nangyari. Nakauwi na lang tayo, wala tayong content.
So busy, I swear, like the personal times that happened. So,
Yes.
it was so fun. It was so memorable. And I'm very sure, baka naman sa future regional meetup ay magkita-kita tayo, di ba?
Hopefully, like siguro ano, sa mas malapit sa akin.
Oo, laban yan. Pero, we are very excited to get to know you more, Ariel. So, sa episode na ito, you know that there are three parts, right? The first part
Mhm.
is the introduction part. Part two is the personal notes, so deeper conversations.
Okay.
And then meron tayong surprise so na hindi alam ni Ariel sa third part. So, simulan na natin. Are you ready for this, Ariel? Yeah?
I'm ready. Go.
Okay. Ariel, just a brief introduction about yourself. Like, what do you do? Like, ano bang di natin pag-usapan? Like, what do you do kay Coconut VA?
Actually, I'm Ariel and I'm a graphic design VA, pero 50-50 on kasi I am into data entry din kasi with the same client. And then 50% actually is with graphic design, packaging, something like that. So aside from that, I'm also a social media manager for local clients.
Oh,
And yeah, and I had time. I was previously a public school teacher. I resigned and then
oh,
I'm a daddy now, so we
oh my
adopted.
gosh. I know. Congratulations. Like, I saw your Instagram story. I was like, are you kidding me? Ano to, kapatid o talaga nag-adopt? I was like, yeah, ano to?
Uh-uh.
Nag-adopt. I'm so happy for you.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. Thank you
Something
so
in common
much.
that we have is we teach also in school. I used to teach in Benil too for part-time teaching before, but hindi na kaya schedule yun, so I stopped teaching. But yeah,
Mhm.
perfect. So like, I'm just really curious, like, how did you find out about Coconut VA?
Actually, I first saw Eric's TikTok about him immersing the Philippines. And then before you, there was like a social media manager sa TikTok account of Coconut VA, which yeah, yung girl. And
Yeah.
then I applied a lot of agencies then. So I actually forgot na I applied with Coconut VA kasi sa sobrang dami.
Ah, okay.
Anyway, yes, and then I'm like, I don't know if it's like months ago or like maybe a week ago. Like there was one night na nag-email si Coconut VA and then sunod-sunod na lahat na nangyari. So like, oh my God, ito na yun eh, andito na ako. So hindi ko na pinalagpas yung interview talaga. So ayun, like I saw it in social media and then I applied kasi interesting yung ano, yung mga benefits ng Coconut VA. Ayun.
Correct. Kakaiba. And katulad mo, nakita ko din ang Coconut Way dahil kay Eric sa TikTok. As in, it's just
Mhm.
very interesting that, oh gosh, who's this guy? Like, trying to be a
Yeah.
Filipino virtual assistant, like doing graveyard shifts too, with like the minimum hourly rate as well. This must be something big, diba? So parang, and now it's super big. It's growing, and we're so happy about it. So yeah, you found out about Coconut Bay because of TikTok, social
Yeah.
media, previous social media manager. So um before Coconut VA, you mentioned you were a public school teacher. Like, what do you teach?
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
Okay. I've been teaching for like eight, no, 7 years. I've been in with DepEd for seven
Wow.
years. Anyway, I'm teaching social studies and then a little bit of uh, parang ang daming mga hats that I wear. That's the reason why I really applied for a job that I could handle my time. So I teach social sciences, history, a little bit of English, research, stuff like that. So marami yon. And then community engagement kasi I'm teaching for the humanities and social sciences strand. So ayun.
So, hindi ba like for someone who's been teaching for 7 years already, which is something I can't
Mhm.
relate. Mga 2 years lang ata ako nagturo. Like, was it heartbreaking for you to leave teaching and then pursue something like this, like freelancing?
Yes, it is. Like, if you're building a career, you spent sweat, money just to build it like for 7 years. Pero I I think I had it coming kasi I wasn't really growing like
Ah,
career-wise.
na.
Yeah, so I'm now a graphic design VA. It's actually aside from being a teacher, I'm a creative that talaga at heart. I'm an artist. So it's like
Right?
pursuing my passion. It's like pursuing my passion. So it was hard, it was sad. Like I love like serving the community, but it's also like mas mabigat pa rin yung if-follow mo yung passion mo talaga. So I
Yeah.
found it with Coconut VA. The first opportunity that I had to you know go in that door and just grab that
Yeah.
opportunity.
So what made you decide to push for Coconut Way? Because you mentioned earlier that you applied to a lot of agencies na parami ka ng
Mhm.
ng na application. Like among all the agencies, bakit si Coconut VA na push mo?
Um, Coconut VA, kasi because of the stories in TikTok and in social media, I was like inspired by um the benefits, your time, and then
Yeah.
like there's so much things that is happening na outside from where I was before na gusto ko siyang i-venture out like working from home, handling like basically following my passion was number one. So, yun, parang, also, my partner was inspiring me kasi na you have a lot of talents and then you're probably hindi ka well compensated sa mga talents na binibigay mo sa current job mo.
Yeah.
So like, go for it. Like, the world is too big for you not to explore it. So I did. And then Coconut VA was one, I think, siyang nagtatak talaga for me na when I had or I received that email, there were no doubts. I had
Wow.
no second thoughts. Like, I went all in. Like, pag sabi na, ganito ang gagawin mo, here are the instructions, these are the dates, I showed up. I followed all the instructions. It was clear, it was concise, it was not intimidating. So, ayun.
Yeah, it looks intimidating outside, but when you get in, it's wow, it's so different. Nakwento ko nga sa episode ko
Mhm.
din.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm so happy because like you have a very supportive partner and talagang ang laking inspiration din niya sa'yo and that's why you're here as well. Wow, so like based on your experience, Ariel, sa mga nakikinig sa atin, anong maipapayo mong parang sikreto kung meron bang sikreto para makapasa o makapasok dito sa Coconut Way? Kasi sobrang daming gustong makapasok ngayon sa Coconut Way. Like, if you're gonna give
Mhm.
them like one tip, what would that be?
One tip is you have to do good in your introduction video talaga.
We can't stress that enough. Like, I couldn't agree more.
Yeah, I mean, um, siguro, since I was a teacher before. So, kailangan mo talagang mag-make faces and then try to impress people para makinig sila sa'yo. So, in your introduction video, don't just like record a video na for like compliance lang. Like,
Correct.
show your personality, show your grit, show your, alam mo yung, syempre, you will mention your experiences, but it's not just like you have to mention them like, ganito, for the sake of mentioning it. Hindi. Like, you have to make sure na yung nag-view ng video mo will really be interested in you at
Correct.
like yung face value pa lang kasi kaya
Yeah.
nga pinagawa ka ng video na ganun kasi in Coconut VA din kasi since we're a community at most, we also like to have yung genuine people in the community as well in order for
Agree.
them to flourish and the community to continue flourishing. Parang ganun. So, your introduction video talaga. Galingan nyo
It's
dun.
very important me. Like, we would know if you're bored or just complying. Like, you have to stand out by
Yeah.
showing personality too. Like, that's what we want here. At kaya talagang sobrang salang-sala yung mga nakapasok ng Coconut VA. And you can really, really like, say na talaga ang galing. Kasi when we all first met, nung April
Mhm.
week 1, I was like blown away na parang, bakit parang ang close na natin lahat agad ni? Parang,
True. Like, oh my God. I mean, ang comfortable ko sa kanila. Like, first meeting pa lang that night, first dinner. Okay, parang friends na ata kami lahat. Sige, go. Andyan na kayo. Alam mo yung, I actually noticed myself, parang wala akong permanent table ng first dinner kasi andun ako sa
correct.
kabila, andun naman ako sa kabila. Talking to everyone, like, oh, this is a community and I like it. So, grabe sila sumala ng nung mga people to join
Yeah.
Coconut VA. So, you have to be genuine and you have to show your personality talaga.
And to think that the culture and community was built online, not face to
Yeah.
face. And it's our first time to meet each other, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And of course, the founders face to face. It's like mind blowing to see how bonded everyone instantly were that night. And I was like, yung pagod ko dahil sa It's the Climb natin noon, papunta ng roof deck. Eh, sinumpa ko yan, nawala. Nung nakita ko yung pag-akyat ko, oh, everyone's doing the bingo card, everyone's talking to each other, everyone's happy. Parang no dull moments.
Yeah.
Parang,
Like, I miss them na nga hanggang ngayon. Nagsisepangs pa rin ako because the people in Coconut VA are really, grabe talaga yung personalities nila.
iba. Iba. Sumasabog ang personality yan. It's really culture. It's really
Yeah,
culture.
it is.
Kaya, guys, do what like, do 100% with your intro video. Show personality kasi yun din ang mga pinipili ng
Mm.
clients. Whew,
I think
okay.
that's the only thing na I think that's the only requirement na kailangan mo pag-effortan kasi yung iba naka-prepare na yon. So your
Yeah,
intro
like,
video talaga.
pretty much everything's templated for you.
Mhm.
It's one pager application form. You just have to follow instructions, and as long as pasok sa basic requirements, and pangmalakasan ang intro video mo, eh, wala na. Wala na tayong magagawa. Wala na tayong pag-uusapan pa. Mas madali ka mag-stand out. I agree. I agree. Hindi na nanggaling sa internal team yan, ha? Sa kanila na yan.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? So, amazing, amazing. So, Arya, let's go on a more personal note na tayo. Let's go to the part two of this session. Are you ready for this? Let's go deeper. Yeah.
Sure, go.
All right. So, 10 months as a graphic designer slash data entry for your client here in Coconut VA. What's your biggest milestone so far?
My biggest milestone so far with Coconut Tree is like, um, kasi before entering into graphic design, since I'm a teacher, diba? Knowing that I've grown into the creative side, na there are people like my boss or my client who appreciate the hard work and the ideas that I have is actually very validating for me. Kasi, when you switch careers, there is like, meron ka kasing, anong tawag doon? Yung
Imposter syndrome.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
imposter syndrome is really parang glaring when you switch careers. Kasi you'll be starting small. You'll be starting from the very beginning. You
Yeah.
you have prior knowledge kasi hindi ko naman na-hire if wala ka bang prior experience.
Right.
Pero that imposter syndrome is a really big wall that you have to overcome. And then
Yeah.
knowing that my client or my boss really appreciates my creative ideas, my suggestions, is really a big validation, a big milestone for me, not knowing na there are other people who would really appreciate the ideas that I have. So yun, that's the biggest
That's
milestone that I
hundred
have for me.
percent. I 100% agree. Like that validation, especially for
Mm-hmm.
someone who just came in or hop in this industry, that you're doing amazing and all is sobrang sarap sa feeling. And yung pinakamasarap sa feeling
Yeah.
is like when your client trusts you. Yung hindi
Yes,
kami na micromanage and yung tipong whatever you do, they know that they can trust you is the best thing ever. Right?
exactly.
So besides that, like you know how hard it is also in our world, um, like when it comes to being part of the LGBT, like inclusivity, um, did you feel super welcome when you joined the community and when you publicly like announce about like you adopted your kid with your partner, like
Mm-hmm.
how was the experience?
Um, Actually, the moment we were together, we were public na kasi. So, um, we actually learned to not bother opinions of others that we really don't
Yeah,
care about. If people we don't know, we really don't care about. As long as our family and the friends around us are very supportive, and then that's all that matters. Kasi when we were interviewed kasi in the adoption process, like what would other people say about adopting a child? So ganon. The answer to the panel was very simple. If we do not care sa kanila, their opinions don't matter. So we only care about the opinions of the people that we care about. So
correct.
So far, sa community ko naman, dito sa amin, wala man na masyadong backlash. And I want everyone to know the story. To know the story why we adopted a child. Um, I want everyone to know na we're also capable as parents. We're not
Right.
just gay and stuff, but we're also people who know how to nurture others and then raise a family. Yun. It's hard lang kasi since we're talking about adoption, hindi talaga kaming dalawang nag-apply. Isa lang. Kasi hindi siya allowed.
Oh, got it. Got
So,
it.
ayun. So, ang primary applicant talaga sa adoption is my partner.
Got
Kasi,
it.
so, ayun. So, in order for me to be legal as well, we'll be getting married not here,
Yeah, I agree.
somewhere else. Yun, that's hard because you want to raise a family legally, but then hindi pwede yung same-sex parents yung mag-apply. So, that's
But you
hard.
know, love wins. And I brought that up because I just want to know, like, when you publicly posted about you adopting a kid with your partner, did you
Mhm.
feel the warmth of the community in Coconut VA?
Oh, yes. Actually, um, alam mo yun, kasi Coconut V was the first one to know then na
Huh?
we were adopting a child. Kasi it was by chance. The last night we were in Boracay, I and Fem were magkatabi kami sa pictorial and then nakita nila yung baby namin. Sabi ko, may anak ka ba? Sabi niya, may anak ka ba? Nagtanong si Miss Fem. Sabi ko, you were adopting a child and prior to going to Boracay, we knew na we were matched with that child. Kasi this child, yung story kasi ng anak namin is, alam mo na ba? Hindi pa.
Di pa. Hindi ko pa alam.
Okay. So, tinapon kasi siya.
Oh.
Nilagay sa um, eco bag and then someone
Oh
saw
my.
sa damuhan. And then that was the like the start of us as partners discussing na why what if we adopt a child kasi siya yung nakatanggap sa hospital. So, in the adoption process, there is no guarantee na yung bata talaga yung mabibigay sa'yo.
Yeah.
So, we were just praying and hoping na destiny will, will come back or destiny will be on our side and mababalik siya sa amin ulit. So, ayun. So, parang we were very thankful kasi mahirap yung application process. It's like months and months.
Right.
And then yun, pero we are still like, protecting din the identity of the child. Kaya hindi pa rin kami nag-post sa TikTok. Sa
Oh
mga
yeah.
close friends lang namin
Yeah.
sa Instagram and Facebook lang.
Yeah.
Kasi yun, it's very sensitive din kasi we would like to protect our
Yeah,
child from,
as you should.
yeah.
And we're here to support you too. Very close sa akin yung topic because I'm adopted too, if you didn't know. So, adopted ako. So, parang,
Oh, okay.
when I found out that your kid was in an echo bag, tinapos, oh my gosh. Thank you for, for taking that responsibility. It means a lot too. Like us who are adopted too. And Coconut VA will be there to support you as well. Okay?
Oh, thank you so
And I
much.
think that's also one of your biggest milestone also. I would say na you were able to save another save like another amazing soul. So thank you for doing that. Sobrang laking
Kasali
bagay
pala,
nun.
kasali pala yung personal milestone no, sa question mo. Sorry kung sa
Personal
career.
note, diba? Parang personal note
Okay.
eh. Alright, pero like,
Okay.
let's move forward though. Like, how
Mm.
did Coconut VA help you personally?
Um, Actually, before I switch careers talaga, um, para siyang suntok sa buwan na, kaya ko ba? Like, ganun. Pero, now that I'm in Coconut Bay, it helped me a lot in managing my time. Second is, um, mas, mas hawak ko na yung time ko ngayon. Second is, it improved a lot my creative side because of my client. And then, pangatlo is, it tapped something in me na I haven't really tapped when I was like in my previous job. I was very comfortable before. Like, yeah, as a public school teacher, you're very secured there. And
Yeah.
here, um, it's not an easy like world
Yeah.
in the VA freelancing na mundo. So here I have to be like vigilant and I have to really learn a lot of skills to improve.
Yeah.
Kasi yan yung wala sa akin before eh. I saw myself not really making a move in my career in my previous career. Nung nag-transfer ako dito, I was very hungry to like know more and to like um to grow as a person professionally and then personally, 'di ba? So ayun, like I couldn't handle all the things that the milestones that I have right now if it wasn't for Coconut VA. Kasi I wouldn't imagine myself like where I am right now if andun pa ako sa previous job ko. So ayun. I'm very thankful with Coconut VA because um it opened for me to have a new career, follow my creative side, and then raise a family na may time ako for, sa anak ko. Full-time parent, full-time yaya ako kaya.
Yes, correct. And I believe it's destiny. It's destiny na nandito ka. And totoo, in this world, it's not like your regular job na very stable, but here talagang the only agency I found na may 13-month pay, na may na may mga ganitong benefits, paid time off, mga ganyan. Parang I feel like super secure too. So I really, really agree. Plus, work-life balance is really like, important dito. Literally, like we encourage
True.
everyone to have a work-life balance, and everything talaga. I feel like this door open for you talaga. Like,
Yeah, I don't have like the same anxiety that I have in my previous job. Wala.
exactly, exactly.
Like,
Like,
para ako pa yung nanibago. Like, oh, birthday ko may nagbigay sa akin ng gift.
yeah,
Like, hello? Lang, kaka-birthday ko lang. Bakit may nagbigay sa Wise from Coconut VA?
correct,
Totoo to.
correct.
Totoo.
Diba? Oh, ganun ka thoughtful si Coconut VA. So, I love, ako, no, not for anything, but I super love it here. I super love it here. So, thank you, Coconut VA. Ano na me? Sure. So, having said that, with your experience here with Coconut VA, 10 months with Coconut VA, are you confident to, like, recommend this to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues before?
Ay, nako ba, alam mo yan. Like, siguro, kahit yung mga call center friends guys, Coconut VA na kayo. Mag-apply kayo. Actually, parang may dalawa akong kinausap kahapon na pinag-apply ko Coconut VA.
Correct.
Alam mo, yung mga job openings, pinang-screenshot ko na, binibigay ko na sa kanila. Kasi, like, siguro at first intimidating, pero hindi, like, no, ang chill kaya namin. Like, have you
Correct.
see, 'di ba? So, ayun, parang lahat na lang ng mga friends ko na gustong mag-venture out to work from home or to the freelancing side, I really recommend Coconut VA. Be, ano ba yan? Like may iba akong mga friends ng mga VA dyan with the other agencies. Coconut VA is really far from,
I
you
can't
know.
attest to that because I came from other agencies too. So, I believe, totoo. I believe like we are the best. We are the
Kaya
best.
yun, nagkikita kami ng mga friends ko from other agencies. Alam niyo ba, meron kaming ganito.
Tapos sila, may ganun kayo, ba't kami? Sharif.
Ka- wala kayong ganun lang. Hindi na ako mag-mention, mag-comparison. Parang, ako lang tong yung alam mo, nagbubuhat ng sariling bako. From Coconut VA, meron kaming ganito kayo. Charot.
Oo.
Ang bakla ko dun.
Totoo. Nakapunta na ba kayo Boracay with the whole VA? Uy, joke lang. Charing lang. Not the most, but we're just really proud. Like we're just happy. Like we're experiencing everything, and we want you guys to experience this too. So if you guys want to be part of this community, please go ahead and like join by clicking the link in the description box. All right. So Arya, let's go to the third round. Yung surprise round. Handa ka na ba sa this
Okay,
or
go.
that? Let's go. So all you have to do is just to choose one from the options and tell us why. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, work from home or work from the beach?
Work from the beach.
Yes, bakit?
I mean, I'm a beach person. So, like, I really like working with sceneries kasi din, 'di ba? I enjoy the
Separated.
beach. Yung partner ko hindi kasi. So parang ako like, tara, nung nag-Boracay tayo, I wanna go to the beach. Then, kahit magdala ako ng laptop doon sa may internet, sa may cafe or some the side, okay lang talaga sa akin.
Perfect nga yung location natin, no? Like, we have a private beach, like, just in front of us. Bongga.
Yeah.
Perfect. So, full-time or part-time?
Mm, part-time.
Part-time, alright. Part-time ka ba now?
Yeah, pero nag-increase na din ako ng hour. Like
Wow.
from 20 hours ginawa ng 25 kasi may pinapagawang pinadagdag si client, which I'm also grateful about, 'di ba? Pero um nung nag-part-time ako, I have a lot of things to, sa family ko, sa bagong pamilya, with my skills, and coping up with the lost time that I had before.
Oh, that's
Hindi
why yung mga
mapapalitan.
part-time. Yeah, I agree. I agree. And with our ano naman above average rate, talagang enough na talaga ang earnings.
Alam mo
Diba?
ba yung pinangangalandakan ko? Kahit part-time lang ako, I resigned from my government job. So,
Ah,
ganun ako confident sa above
correct.
average pay.
Correct. And now guys, from 7.8 a few last month ngayon, we're at $8 na yung average rate of coconut vs as of today. So pataas na ng pataas guys, OMG. And I would know it's enough, Ariel, because I used to be part-time, kaka full-time ko lang din. So it's really, the pay is giving, guys. The pay is giving. Next question, 13th month pay or HMO? Pili ka lang ng isa. T, hindi pwede pareho.
My God, bakit ang hirap? Okay, HMO.
HMO, bakit?
Fine. I really don't like the healthcare system of the Philippines. So, parang having an HMO talaga is very essential as
Correct.
an employee. Which in
As
Coconut
a
VA meron.
freelancer too. Oo.
Mhm.
And did you know that our HMO is really high when it comes to coverage? Like the regular one that we have here is 100,000 pesos per illness plus one dependent after a year. Tapos pag elite ka, like $12 an hour yung rate mo, you have a 150,000 150,000 coverage per illness plus one dependent for year, lahat covered ni Coconut VA.
Mhm.
Hindi lahat ng VA agencies nagbibigay po ng HMO and we're so happy to have one. And as a freelancer, sobrang sobrang helpful na magkaroon talaga ng HMO as a freelancer. So,
Yeah.
thank you for that. VA, paid time off or US holiday? Pili ka lang ng isa.
PTO.
PTO, kasi
PTO.
flexible, no?
Flexi
Flexible.
man flexi kasi ako, so
Flexi.
ayun.
Next, Time Doctor or Jibble? Alam mo ba yung Time Doctor? Time Doctor yung nag-record.
Oh, alam ko 'yon. So Jibble.
Correct!
Anytime, Jibble.
Correct.
Jibble. So, alam, as a flexi person, kasi flexi ako,
Correct.
oo.
Galing yung Time
Ayun.
Doctor nung unang panahon at gumraduate na ako dyan. Sobrang micromanagement. And here in Coconut VA,
Yeah.
we work based on trust. So we have Jibble. Time in, time out lang kami mga mean. No recordings, no
Yeah.
screenshots, nothing. Next, and the last one, okay? Complete the sentence, I love Coconut VA because blank.
Ang dami ko pa rin, sorry.
Top of
Um, I
mind.
I love Coconut VA because of the people.
Ah, ang ano mo dun, T? Bakit nga? Can you elaborate? Uy!
Elaborate ko pa ba? Sige, the very first interview pa lang, and then talking with the HR, with Miss Fem, I felt like I was at home talaga. So,
I,
um, it wasn't really a hard time for me to integrate myself with Coconut VA because as a community who nurtures each and everyone, iba iba siya sa the 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 previous company na I
hmm,
had before. Coconut
Yeah,
VA really is. The people, Coconut VA wouldn't be Coconut VA if wala yung mga tao andun ngayon sa
I
Coconut
believe.
VA.
Maraming salamat, Ariel, and you passed the test. Natapos din natin ang interview na ito.
Talaga.
Thank you so much for saying yes and answering everything wholeheartedly and genuinely. We appreciate you. Do you wanna plug anything at this moment? May gusto ka ba i-promote?
Sa ngayon, wala naman siguro. Kasi ayoko muna i-plug yung TikTok
Work, work
ko.
muna.
Okay pa. Work muna ako ngayon. So,
For the
ayun.
dollars muna tayo.
For
Yes,
the dollars.
yes, maraming salamat. And of course, guys, ang gusto ko rin promote is if you think you want to be part of this community and you think you're a great fit for this community, then go ahead and apply now by clicking the description box here. May link dyan. Oo, apply na. Ano pa
Saan
hinintay?
ba? Saan ba? Saan?
Sa taas o baba, depende kung saan ko in-upload to eh. Diba? Maraming
Go.
maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Ariel, and to everyone who's listening or watching this. And we'll see you guys again on the next episode. Bye!
Bye.